Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, please subscribe and tap that bell for more videos. So yesterday we went to this little farm market and got a couple things, so I figured I would do a quick little haul for you guys, and then we picked up dinner afterwards. I'm going to show you what I got to eat. I just want to mention that especially with everything that's going on right now, we've been trying to do more local shopping to small businesses, to support the small businesses. I think they're a lot harder hit right now than, you know, the big retail stores. And also I think a lot of times it's better quality if you go to smaller farms and businesses like this. If maybe like your local Kroger or Walgreens may be out of certain things, maybe try the smaller little farms or markets that may not be as busy, so they might have some of the things that you need. I know last time we went to this market, everywhere else was out of soap, but they had their homemade soap there. They didn't have any yesterday, but we went at the very end of the day, so they may have had some in the morning. Anyway, so this is the farm market haul. It's just a few things. I got this ground pork. I believe it's 1 pound. We also got 1 pound of bacon, but we already had it for breakfast this morning. We also got peanut brittle that has already been eaten as well. So we got those two things. We got some chili sauce. I got some apple salsa. They had regular salsa and then apple salsa, but I wanted to try the apple salsa because I've actually never heard of that before. So I'll have to let you guys know how that is. We got this 7 pepper hot sauce, which we've actually had before. That was really good. I got this, I've actually had this before last time as well. It's, what is it? Rosemary, almond, what's it? I can't read it. Rosemary, sea salt, and almond dark chocolate bar. So I've had it before. I'm not a huge dark chocolate fan, but I did like it. I got a zucchini. Unfortunately, since we got there at the end of the day, that was the only thing as far as fresh vegetables that I saw was just the zucchinis. So next time we need to go in the morning and see if we can get some more things. I got these chips. I'm not sure if you can see them where my camera is. These everything bagel kettle chips. Here, hand in the woods. Everything bagel chips. And then I also got a bag of kettle sea salt chips, which we've also gotten into. So that is everything I got at the store. I'm going to go ahead and show you what we got for dinner. Okay, so here's what we got for dinner. I got some chicken tenders, a baked potato, honey mustard, a side salad with ranch. I got some sour cream and then some butter for the potato. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Check out all my links below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care. Bye.